folks, this is Rob Wells here with you from the law office of Robert M. Wells. Our office helps out landlords and property managers deal with their landlord-tenant problems and issues. In this video, we're going to talk about just cause under the Tenants Protection Act and whether or not non-payment of rent is just cause. Before I begin though, landlords, property managers, if you're dealing with a situation like non-payment of rent or dealing with any other landlord-tenant situation, please feel free to reach out to us below. Now let's begin. Now, question is, does non-payment of rent qualify as just cause under the Tenants Protection Act? And the answer is absolutely yes. Non-payment rent is the first item of just cause for terminating a tenancy under the Tenants Protection Act. Any special requirements to deal with a non-payment of rent situation? No, as long as your rent notices comply with the Code of Civil Procedure for non-payment of rent, you can issue a 3-day notice. Now, in subsequent months, there are different rent notice requirements for rent that's considered COVID recovery debt, which is rent basically from October 1st, 2021 through March 31st, 2022. Or if you have rent that's covered under the COVID the Tenants Relief Act of 2020, you have to use a 15-day notice. Sorry, there's so many laws, about COVID, so I gotta get them confused. So anyway, as long as your rent notices comply with those statutes and any other local moratoria or rules and restrictions, if you're in one of these rent-controlled or eviction-controlled areas, then you should be fine. But, these rules can be tricky. So landlords, if you do have a non-payment of rent situation where you may need help and need, some guidance on how to address those issues, please feel free to reach out to us below. And until next time, we'll talk to you then. Thanks.